Welcome to this course on engineering metrology. This course is a 30 hours course which will have both theory and practical. So we will give you an exposure to different instruments, working of these instruments, how do you interpret the results, and after interpreting the results, how do you correlate with the process. So this course is very well planned and it will be executed by two faculty members. One is myself, Professor J. Ramkumar. I am a faculty with Mechanical and Design Program, IIT Kanpur. Amandeep Singh, who is a colleague of mine, who is a faculty with NIT Jalandhar, will also be part of this course. We will both jointly try to give you as much knowledge as possible in this course. To talk about this course, metrology is nothing but a science of measurements. Today's world is moving towards miniaturization, is moving towards complex parts. So earlier days where the parts were made, the products were made with several parts. Today all these moving parts are reduced and the geometry of the part is made complex, and then it is getting integrated into a product such that you have more reliability and repeatability of the product. So when the feature size becomes complex, you are supposed to use complex techniques or use different techniques for measuring. So the science behind the measurement is nowadays becoming a challenge. So when somebody makes a part, he puts it on a drawing board and then he develops a concept, gives it to a manufacturing engineer. When the manufacturing engineer manufactures it, the responsibility of a measurement engineer or a quality engineer is to check whether the product which is manufactured meets the specification. The entire loop of manufacturing is not closed without the measurement or validation. So this course is very important to students as well as practicing engineers. We have planned this course in such a way that we teach basics and slowly we move towards the higher end. So students of second year, third year level BTech are most welcome to do this course. So this course we will be covering more individual equipments, and the individual equipments, the precautions to be taken such that you try to get the best out of it. So quickly to run through the course, you have the modern metrology involves both forward and reverse measurement. We will try to cover it. This course is designed to impart the knowledge of development, measurement procedures, conduct metrological experiments and obtain and interpret the results. Obtaining the results is one. Interpreting the results is another big challenge. Suppose if I try to take a measurement of the same part, a cylindrical shaft using a vernier, I repeat it 100 times. Many a times you see a small variation coming. So first we have to see what is this variation, should it be considered, or how do we interpret the data with the existing thing. So in this course we are going to have lab demonstrations. We are also going to cover statistical aspects. Suppose you try to take a machine is running, a part is taken out, measurement is taken. So with one part, do we justify that yes, the machine is intact, or should we do multiple parts? When should we do? How should we interpret the results? So statistics is a big tool which plays a very important role in measurements. So that will also be covered in this course. So which will try to enhance your learning process. This will be very useful for in many areas of traditional and modern high technology manufacturing. So technology, manufacturing, industrial, scientific research, defense organization people can do this course. So it is an elective course. UG and PG level students can do this course. There is not much of prerequisite for this course. As and when we go, we will teach you how to use it, and we will also try to give you some details wherein which you can read those study materials and equip yourself. This course will be very useful for practicing engineers from several PSUs and private industries. So when we talk about the content of the course, we will try to have introduction, then we will have different measurement systems, then we will try to look at errors. So you should understand, when you try to take a data, many a times the data you will have also included error in it. So you should know how to nullify the error. We will try to cover a little bit on limits, fits and tolerance, then linear and angular measurements, optical measurements. Today when we talk about micro and nano, we have to rely more on optical techniques. So we will look into optical techniques, then a little bit of flow and pressure, surface metrology and nanometrology will also be covered in this course. As I told you, statistics is going to be one of the best USP of this course. We are going to cover statistics and metrology. Then we will teach about uncertainty, what happens, then design of experiments, quality control and measurement assurance. So these are the broad topics will be covered in this course. We will try to do justice in covering all these courses to such a level that you will understand the basics and the science behind it, so that tomorrow if there is a new application, you can just try to interpolate and extrapolate the knowledge you have to those applications. So with this, we thank you and we welcome you for this course. Thank you very much.
So welcome to the course on engineering metrology. This course is already introduced by Dr. Ram Kumar. In this course, we have designed the contents in a way to benefit all the students, scientists, practitioners, so that you can learn how the metrological experiments are being conducted. We have induced laboratory demonstrations here and statistics in metrology, so as after this course you are able to learn how to develop the methods for measurements, how to deal with the errors, how to deal with the quality, how to deal with the quality control, quality assurance, all those things. So we hope that after this course, the students will be able to develop their own methods or processes to conduct metrological experiments. Metrological experiments, I mean, to take measurements and to develop methods to develop the models to deal with the errors. So we welcome you all in this course and hope you have good learning experience. Thank you.